Hello, this is How to Tech, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix that pesky PS4 controller audio bug in Windows 10. So what happens when you plug in your PS4 controller into your computer? It kind of takes over the sound controls, and that's because Windows 10 by default actually prioritizes anything new that you plug in. So it just automatically gives it the default values. I can show you here. If you go to the bottom right to audio, the audio icon, click sounds. This thing should pop up. And if you go to recordings, this is my microphone, test. Um, and playback, this is my headset, test. I mean, there's no sound. There's no sound, so you can't really see. But anyways, how to fix the issue? Essentially, let's show you what happens when you plug in your controller. Okay, so I just plugged into my controller, and as you can see, my sound settings have just completely changed, right? So my wireless controller is now my playback, and my recording is also my wireless controller. A wireless controller is just the normal name for the PS4 DualShock controller. And this is a problem, right? You don't want this happening all the time you plug in the controller. And a way to get around this is to right click, disable. Just disable the recording device and the playback device. And there, you should be able to hear your friends, you should be able to hear yourself, I mean not yourself, but your desktop audio, and you should be able to, send audio from your mic to your friends so your friends can hear you. So yeah, that's about it. That's all you have to do is just remember to disable it once I disconnect, and once I reconnect, it stays disabled. So you can unplug, plug back in whenever you want, and game free. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.